So have you ever stared at your screen and thought, I have ideas, but I don't want to show my face or spend hours editing? I feel you, and that's exactly why I am excited to show you this new feature. This is CapCut's brand new AI Lab, the ultimate shortcut for creating faceless videos like a pro. With AI Lab Story Maker, you simply paste a script or type in your topic, choose a visual you like, and it automatically builds your entire video, visuals, voiceover, captions. It's like magic.
Painted his everyday life. Their first chat turned into video calls that lasted until sunrise. But love isn't always simple, is it? Their families struggle to understand.
And this is so important because faceless content creators are making real money. Some are hitting $2,000 to $10,000 per month just by being consistent and strategic. This feature makes this easier than ever. So if you've ever wanted to start making money without your camera or the anxiety or editing overwhelm, this video is for you. Let's get right into the tutorial on how to use this particular tool. To do is to come onto your CapCut. When you log into your CapCut, check the options down here. You see AI Lab, click on it. As you can see, it has the AI Story Maker, the AutoCut, and then different tools like AI avatars, models, poster, a lot of things. It also has different templates that you can use, like the cat, pixel, Adam and Eve, different font templates that you can use to generate your faceless content. You also have fictional stories, and it has different kind of templates for that as well. You also have religious videos, facts you don't know, inspirational quotes, news videos, so a lot of things for you to try out. And if you want to start something from scratch, just like I did in the previous video sample I showed you, all you need to do is to click on this story maker. And then when you click on your story maker, if you already have a story that you created on ChatGPT, then this is where you can paste it. If not, simply click on generate scripts, and then this will allow you to fix in your own script. So let's take, for example, let's say the history of the England flag, just to use this as an example. So under this place, this is where you're going to put key points of what you want included in the story or in the news or whatever kind of story you want to come up with. So number one, I want to know the facts about England flags. Then number two, who designed the flag. So this just like as an example. And then under here you have duration, whether you want 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or just automatic. Usually I just pick automatic, and then you click on generate. This will take a few seconds, and then it's going to help you generate your script. So it will allow you time to actually review your script and to give you various options. Then you can pick out of 3 options which one you like. So let's go with number 2. And if you want to edit anything, just click on edit, and then you'll be able to change whatever facts you want to do. Then you click on done. So once you're done with your script, the next thing to do is to pick the visual style. Do you want it in a realistic film, a movie, anime, dreamscape? It has different templates or visual styles that you can pick. So let's just pick movie, just so it's more interesting. Then for your voiceover, it can be automatic, or you can just pick from whichever one you want to use out of these options. Then you click on done. Then you have your aspect ratio that allows you to pick the dimension that you want the video to be on, and then you click on done. Then click on generate, and then this will take a while, and then it's going to generate everything for you, full video with captions and everything. Please guys, if you've been watching up to this point, do well to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you feel in the comments. Guys, just take a look at this. Our video is ready.
Hey there. Ever wondered about the story behind England's iconic red cross on a white background? You know, the St. George's cross that we all recognize? Well, let me...
So I don't know if you're able to hear it, but let me play it for you on its own so you see how amazing the video is.
Hey there. Ever wondered about the story behind England's iconic red cross on a white background? You know, the St. George's cross that we all recognize? Well, let me tell you, this flag has quite a tale to tell. The simple yet striking design has been representing England since the Middle Ages.
So guys, you can also check on the different type of templates. All you need to do is to click on try AI template, put your own prompts here, and then you can generate. Isn't this amazing, guys? So guys, there you have it. CapCut AI Lab just made faceless video creation feel effortless. From typing your topic to exporting a full video with captions and voiceover and everything in minutes. This is amazing. Guys, you need to hop on this. People are making money using faceless content. So if this has assisted you or helped you in any way, please click on that subscribe button. Let me know what you feel in the comments, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.